Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching ClipChamp and signing in because projects save to your account. Once signed in, click Create New Project and pick the aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical social clips. Then import your footage. Drag files into the media bin or record directly. Use stock clips if needed. Organize into folders so you can find clips quickly. This saves time later when you build the timeline and start assembling scenes. Once your clips are on the timeline, trim and arrange them to tell the story. Use the split tool to remove mistakes, then close gaps by dragging clips together. Add transitions between clips for smoother cuts, overlays, and text. Tell the viewer what matters. Make timing match the voice or music by adjusting clip speed and lengths. For audio, normalize levels and apply ducking so dialogue stays clear when music plays. Make sure each edit supports why the scene exists. You finalize by previewing the full project and choosing export settings that fit your destination. Higher resolution for long form, lower for quick uploads. Click Export, then save to your device or share a cloud link. If the file is too large, lower bitrate or resolution before re-exporting. If export fails, make sure you have free disk space, update your browser, and close other tabs. Alternatively, reduce bitrate or split the project. One tip: restart ClipChamp after changes to clear temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.